So today I thought we'd do something completely different. We're going to learn about our hand. What I'm going to do is draw around it and then talk about it. So if you have your pen and paper ready, draw around your hand too. And you can talk about it with me. I'm going to go down my arm a bit this time. Oops. Is it right? Oh, yes, there we go. So some of these things you're going to know already. Some of them, hopefully, are going to be new. So this is the back of the hand. That's this bit here. This bit is your arm, and the join between the two here is your wrist. That's called a wrist. Then we've got our fingernails on each finger. When we've finished, afterwards, you could paint these different colours. On your fingernail, there is a little white half moon there. Can you see that at the bottom, that little white bit? Goes across the bottom like this. I haven't got it on my other fingers, but you should have. That's called the cuticle. That's the little white bit. Shows you're nice and healthy. Also, on the back of your hand, this point is our knuckles. That's the join where my fingers move. And if I put my hand into a fist like this, turn it over, you can see all my knuckles. That's because I'm holding my hand really tightly. If I let go, see, they don't show. There's also knuckles in our fingers, where we bend our fingers. Then we can lift them up, one by one. If you can't do it, practice. One by one. It makes them stronger. Then if we turn our hand over, on the other side, this is called our palm. We have the thumb. We have fingers, 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, the first one, is called our index finger. And we use that to point. Are we going this way or are we going that way? Then we have our middle finger. And the reason it's our middle finger is because on this side is 1, 2. And on this side is 1, 2. So it's right in the middle. That's our middle finger. This finger is called our ring finger. And that's because if you get married or engaged or have a partnership, you might wear a ring and it's always on this finger. And this one is just our little finger, and that's just because it's smaller than all the others. 1 thumb, 4 fingers, which can be called digits. So on this hand I have 5 digits. So whenever we're counting, if you're going to count, say 6, we have 5 and 1. Wrist, back of our hand, fingernails, cuticles, knuckles, palm, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, and our thumb. And that's our hand.